Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, push-button start, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.